Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is number 146, 11, 12, Crown Royale. Here's your list of winning bidders. We got some newcomers today. We got Hazy Baby 1225. We got Bavado and SMG Ness. So newcomers to my break, so welcome here. Just a couple of ground rules to go over before we get going on this box. We'll first take a look at our roulette board, see what we have here tonight. So we've got a green chip on 0 and 00. We've got a green on 2, green on 6, orange on 7, green on 11, orange on 15, green on 16, green on 24, orange on 25, green on 30, and green on 35. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away the associated prize. So if we spin an orange chip, we'll be giving away this Brendan Dillon Limited Phenoms rookie card, and if we spin an orange chip, we will be giving away this Cody Hodgson Trilogy Signatures Pucks. Also tied in with the roulette board, we've got our versus bonus. So we've got a card represented by the black spots on the wheel, and we've got a card represented on the red spots. So whenever the roulette wheel is spun and their colors are spun, each card will get a token for however many spots they spin. At the end of the break, however many cards have the most tokens will be given away. Our short straw bonus cards for today look like this. We've got a New Breed Adam Larson rookie card. And we've also got an All the King's Men of Claude Giroux. So those will head to 2 individual teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. And also later on we will be giving away a spot in the Customer Appreciation Dominion box break. And then with our High Rollers bonus, the highest paying customer without a hit will also get a spot into that break. So, and I guess I didn't really explain what those versus cards are. So our black versus card for today is a Trilogy Ice Scripts of Ryan Kessler, and our red slot is a Trilogy Ice Scripts of Trevor Linden. Alright, so here's our box. Before we get to that though, we're going to start things off by spinning our wheel and refunding a team for this break. So here's our spin to start things off. And that is going to be black 6. So I'll add a token to the black card. And team 6 will be getting their team refunded to them. So we have our team board. Team behind number 6 for the refund is going to be the LA Kings. So a refund for the LA Kings, and that is going to be DJ and Ella's mom. Alright, break. So here's our box of Crown Royale. Here's the serial number. Any 99222-842. Nice. Checklist. And our packs. Empty box. And here we go. Start from the top, work our way down. Good luck, everybody. Alright, starting things off, we got a Rich Peverly base card for the Boston Bruins. Followed by a Nikolai Haby-Bruin base card for the Oilers. And our first hit going to the Nashville Predators. That is a Blake Jeffrey on Heirs to the Throne. That'll be hitting to Felix Victoria. And she will also be our first strike winner, so I'll get a pack of cards for her. Behind that, we've got a Pavel Datsyuk Ruby base. That'll be heading to the Detroit Red Wings. And downtown. And behind that, Jordan Eberle base for the Oilers. So for Phyllis, for hitting the first strike of the break, I will be including a pack of 11-12 Elite. So that'll be heading to you for your first strike. Pack number 2. Looks like we might have a Markstrom for the Panthers. We got Eller for the Canadiens. Then we've got a signature dates. It is Cam Ward and the Carolina Hurricanes, January 2nd, 2012. That'll be heading to DJ and Ellis Mom. Spacer. And behind that for the New Jersey Devils, it is Zach Parise, Lords of the NHL. I'm just going to check that signature dates, make sure that it's serial numbered, and it is. Signature dates, serial numbered 99 out of 99. Last run of that print. So that's fun. Praise there for the Devils, and Giroux for the Flyers. Alright, in this one we got Matt Cassian for the Wild, St. Louis for the Lightning. Then we got a rookie auto of Patrick Wirkoch for the Ottawa Senators. That'll be heading to Sean 1989-77. Spacer, followed by another rookie. That one is Matthias Ekholm for the Nashville Predators. Once again, going to Felix Victoria. And Roberto Luongo race for the Canucks. And our last pack. Looks like we got some thickness magic in here. Up top we got Drew Doughty for the Kings. Followed by Sean Couturier for the Flyers. From the back, we got a base card of Jonathan Quick for the Kings. And we've got a Stan Mikita for the Blackhawks. And our next card here is going to the Pittsburgh Penguins. Very beautiful coat of arms of Sidney Crosby. Very nice, going to DJ and Ella's mom. We got a black, white, and black patch there. And that one will be numbered 18 out of 25, so that'll strike our Crazy Eights bonus. It's a nice way to end things off. So for the Crazy Eights ending in an 8, I'll open up an extra pack of 11-12 Elite. And for the Ottawa Senators, we got a Daniel Alfredson die-cut Aspirations. Nice hit to end us off. Love those Crosby hits. All right. So now we will take a look, see who our high roller for this break is. So we have hits from the Preds, the Red Wings, Hurricanes, Devils, Senators, Flyers, and Penguins. So that means our high roller for today is going to be Chappie with the Edmonton Oilers. So congratulations, Chappie. You are our high roller for tonight. You will be entered into our Customer Appreciation Dominion box in slot number 1. top of the list. And for our, so yeah, like I said, these are the hits, or these are the teams that got hits during the break, so we'll shovel them off to the side for now. And we will place them into our randomizer. And we'll shake that around. Alright, so to recap, we've got our Claude Giroux short straw card and our Larson New Breed short straw card. So we're going to draw first for the Giroux and then the Larson. So, first trip. Giroux will be going to the Vancouver Canucks and downtown. And Larson will be heading to the Toronto Maple Leafs and SMGness. So those are your short straw winners. And now we will do a spin for our customer appreciation. So we're going to spin our roulette wheel, and we'll choose a team that way and reveal it from our team board. And we are going to have team number 21, and that is a red slot. So we'll add a marker to the red card. Spot number 21 was spun. And the team that will be getting that slot into the box break of Dominion will be the Toronto Maple Leafs and SMGness. So SMGness, SMGness. You are our second contestant. So we'll continue to fill this list up as we go through the weeks to come. So now we will take a look at our roulette board. So we've spun 2 numbers so far, just as a way to get some extra numbers on the board since I've restructured my bonus system. I'm going to throw 2 extra spins in here just to tally up some numbers. So that is going to be a red 19, and our second spin is going to be a zero zero. All right. So these are the numbers that we have spun today. We've spun 6, 21, 19, and 00. So we'll take a look at the board and see if any of those numbers are a slot. So we got 21. 21 is blank, as well as 19. 6 is a green chip. And 00 is also a green chip. So that means that we will be giving away the Brendan Dillon Limited Phenoms card. So we'll spin our wheel one last time, well, for this bonus one last time, and see which team will be taking that one home. It is going to be a black 13. So a black 13, we'll jump to our team board. Team number 13 is going to be the Boston Bruins. So congratulations to the Bruins and Hazy Baby 1225. The roulette card will be yours. Boston. And that will be Lee Dillon. Alright, now we'll take a look at our verses. So we have spun 2 black chips for the Ryan Kessler ice scripts, and we have spun 2 red chips for the Trevor Linden ice script. So we are at a tie right now, so we're going to have a sudden death spin to see which card is going to take it. So black or red? And that is going to be a black 6. That means we'll add a 3rd counter to the Ryan Kessler ice scripts, and that will be our victor for this round. So we're going to spin our wheel one last time to see which team is going to be taking home that card. And that is going to be number 21. We've seen that number pop up before. So team number 21 getting the ice scripts. That is going to the Toronto Maple Leafs and SMGness. So congratulations, you racked up quite the bonuses there at the end. Versus winner, Toronto. And that is the Kessler. All right, and that's going to do it for this break. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Hope you enjoyed the taste of the new bonus system, which I will be continuing in the weeks to come. So congratulations to everybody who got some hits. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you again next time.